Welcome to the channel. If you're a technician, engineer, or electronics hobbyist, having a handheld oscilloscope is a game changer. These portable tools bring the power of signal analysis right to your fingertips, perfect for fieldwork, diagnostics, or on-the-go testing. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the top 5 best handheld oscilloscopes, selected for their accuracy, ease of use, battery life, and overall reliability. Don't forget to check the description for the most up-to-date prices and product links. And if you're into electronics tools and tech reviews, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop. Let's dive in, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. FNIRSI DST-210 Handheld Oscilloscope. The FNIRSI DST-210 is a powerful 3-in-1 handheld tool combining an oscilloscope, digital multimeter, and DDS signal generator, perfect for electronics professionals and automotive technicians. With a 10 MHz bandwidth and 48 MSA/s sampling rate, it captures precise waveforms, while the multimeter offers 19,999 count resolution and measures AC, DC voltage, current, resistance, frequency, temperature, and more. It supports auto range, continuity tests, diode checks, and live/neutral line identification. The integrated DDS signal generator outputs 13 waveforms up to 50 kHz for accurate signal simulations. Designed for ease of use, the DST-210 features a vivid 2.8-inch color TFT screen, day/night display modes, and a convenient function dial for quick operation. It's powered by a 3,000 mAh rechargeable battery with USB-C charging and auto power-off. Compact yet robust, this multifunction device offers essential diagnostic features in a portable package, making it ideal for fieldwork, circuit debugging, or home electronics repair. Number 4. Fluke 123B Handheld Oscilloscope. This handheld dual-channel oscilloscope and recorder offers exceptional performance with a 20 MHz bandwidth and advanced features tailored for professionals. Equipped with two 5,000 count TrueRMS digital multimeters, it provides highly accurate readings for both AC and DC measurements. The device features Fluke's proprietary Connect-and-View and IntelliSet auto-reading technology, which automatically adjusts settings and intelligently interprets signals for quick, hands-free operation, making it ideal for diagnosing complex electronics or unpredictable waveforms. Designed for field use, the oscilloscope runs on a reliable Li-ion rechargeable battery that delivers up to 7 hours of operation on a single 4-hour charge. Whether you're troubleshooting motors, drives, or control systems, this portable unit offers the functionality of a bench scope in a rugged, compact design. With intuitive controls and a smart interface, it simplifies advanced measurements, making it an essential tool for engineers, technicians, and electricians working in challenging environments. Number 3. FNIRSI 2C53P Handheld Oscilloscope. The FNIRSI 2C53P is a powerful upgrade from the 2C23T, offering a 50 MHz bandwidth and 250 ms/s sampling rate across 2 channels, ideal for diagnosing electronic circuits and automotive systems. This handheld oscilloscope integrates a 19,999 count multimeter with 5 measurement values and min/max tracking for detailed diagnostics. Its vibrant 4.3-inch IPS touchscreen delivers crisp visuals at 480 by 272 resolution, enhancing user interaction. The built-in DDS signal generator supports 12 waveform types up to 10 MHz, supported by a reliable FPGA plus MCU plus ADC structure for accurate waveform capture and export. With features like one-key auto, multiple trigger modes, and advanced XY mode and FFT analysis, it simplifies both analog and digital signal measurements. Designed for efficiency, it includes a 4,000 mAh battery providing up to 4 hours of operation, rechargeable via USB-C. This versatile tool is perfect for engineers, technicians, and electronics hobbyists seeking precision in a portable format. Number 2. ZUI 3-in-1 Handheld Oscilloscope. The ZUI ZT-210 is a compact, handheld dual-channel oscilloscope and multimeter, ideal for electronics professionals and hobbyists. With a 50 MHz bandwidth and selectable sampling modes, 200 MSA/s in normal mode and 280 MSA/s in high-speed mode, it delivers precise waveform analysis for pulse, circular, and noise signals. Its auto-recognition function simplifies measurements by automatically identifying complex waveforms. As a 25,000-count multimeter, it accurately measures resistance, capacitance, continuity, diodes, and current, offering multifunctional diagnostic capability in a single device. The unit also features a built-in signal generator capable of outputting sine, square, and triangle waves, displayed synchronously for waveform comparison. With 128K storage depth and support for waveform image saving, it enhances analysis flexibility. The Type-C port supports fast charging and efficient data transfer. Lightweight at just 380 grams and highly portable, the ZT-210 is an excellent all-in-one tool for circuit troubleshooting, automotive diagnostics, and field service applications. Number 1. FNIRSI DST-210 Handheld Oscilloscope. The FNIRSI DST-210 is an upgraded handheld oscilloscope designed for efficient and precise electronic diagnostics. Building on the foundation of the DST-152, it features a 10 MHz bandwidth and 48 ms/s sampling rate, ideal for both analog and digital signal analysis. With a wide time base range from 50 nanoseconds to 20 s and voltage measurement support up to 400 V, it delivers reliable performance for various applications. The device includes a DDS signal generator with 13 waveform types and output frequencies up to 50 kHz, streamlining signal simulation and circuit testing. A 2.8-inch HD LCD screen ensures clear waveform visibility, while features like waveform scaling, auto-parameter optimization, and infinite afterglow enhance accuracy and usability. The built-in 1000 mAh lithium battery and Type-C charging offer long-lasting, portable power. Whether for professional repair work, education, or hobby electronics, the DST-210 is a compact, all-in-one diagnostic solution. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.